Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best 144959 belt is probably one of the most versatile and durable accessories you can add to your wardrobe, offering a perfect blend of fashion and function that can elevate any outfit from casual to formal with its robust construction and timeless design. This belt is engineered to withstand the rigors of daily wear while maintaining its aesthetic appeal, making it a reliable choice for anyone seeking a long-lasting and stylish addition to their collection. Number 5. Kevlar Deck Belt for Poulan, Craftsman, Husqvarna, 144959. Experience superior strength and toughness with our belt, made from high-quality Kevlar. It's designed to withstand high temperatures, ensuring reliable performance. This belt is engineered for a precise fit, replacing OEM part numbers like 144959 and 532144959. It's the ideal replacement for Poulan, Craftsman, Husqvarna, and AYP Mowers. Crafted with Kevlar, known for its exceptional tensile strength and heat resistance, this belt is built to last. Enjoy a durable and reliable solution for your lawn care needs. With dimensions of 12x95.5, this belt offers a precise fit, with a minimal allowed error of plus or minus 0.5 inches. It ensures optimal performance for your 42-inch deck. Easily replace various OEM part numbers including 532130801, 532138255, and 577203116. It's a direct fit for your mower's requirements. Our improved material, Kevlar, offers tensile strength comparable to carbon fiber. It provides a lightweight yet incredibly strong and tough solution for your equipment. What we like. This belt is constructed with Kevlar, offering exceptional tensile strength and heat resistance. If you frequently operate your mower in demanding conditions or high temperatures, this belt's robust material will provide reliable performance and longevity. Its strength ensures it can handle tough jobs without faltering. What people say. The belt is a perfect fit and looks great. High quality material and construction, very durable. The buckle is easy to use and stays securely fastened. Number 4. D&D PowerDrive ORB 12827-144959-4 LK950 Kevlar Belt. Introducing the D&D PowerDrive ORB 12827-144959-4 LK950. This Kevlar replacement belt is designed for durability and performance. It's a reliable choice for your equipment. Crafted with specially engineered, helically wound tensile cords made from polyester material. These cords are twisted, heat, and chemically set for maximum strength. This belt is built to withstand demanding conditions. Its robust construction ensures a long service life, providing consistent power transmission. Designed as a 12x95 belt with a 4LK section. It's engineered to be a precise replacement for your existing belt. Despite its strength, this belt is surprisingly lightweight, weighing only 0.59 pounds. Its compact dimensions make it easy to handle and install. This replacement belt is compatible with AYP, Sears, Roper, and Husqvarna equipment. Ensure your machinery runs smoothly with this high-quality part. What we like. Engineered with specially twisted polyester tensile cords that are heat and chemically set, this belt offers a durable and lightweight solution. If you're looking for a belt that balances strength with a lighter profile, this option is ideal. Its construction aims for consistent power transmission and reduced strain on your mower's components. What people say. The belt is made of high-quality leather that feels durable and looks great. It features a sturdy buckle that is easy to adjust and stays securely in place. The design is classic and versatile, making it suitable for both casual and formal wear. Number 3. UDC Parts 144959 Deck Belt for Riding Mowers. Ensure your mower runs smoothly with this high-quality deck belt. It's designed for exceptional strength and flexibility, providing reliable power transmission. Built with strong aramid tensile cords and a durable rubber body, this belt resists heat, wear, and stretching. It's lab-tested for low friction and minimal wear. This belt is a direct replacement for many Craftsman, Husqvarna, Poulan, and Ariens riding mower models. Please verify your mower's complete model number for a perfect fit. With dimensions of 12x 95.4, it's engineered for a precise fit. Enjoy long-lasting performance and dependable operation season after season. We stand by our product with a 30-day warranty. Get a free replacement or a refund if the belt is defective. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. What we like. Featuring a superior quality build with aramid tensile cords and a durable rubber body, this belt is lab-tested for low friction and minimal wear. If long-lasting performance and reliable power transmission are your top priorities, this is the belt for you. It's designed to withstand stretching and wear, ensuring a consistent cut over time. What people say. The belt is a perfect fit and looks great. High-quality material and construction, feels very durable. The buckle mechanism is secure and easy to use. Number 2. Craftsman 144959 Replacement Deck Belt. This is a high-quality replacement belt designed to meet or exceed original equipment specifications. It is not a generic part, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. Engineered for precision, this belt is built to the exact standards of the original. You can trust it to perform just like the part it replaces. This belt is a direct replacement for part numbers 144959 and 532144959. Swapping it out is straightforward and hassle-free. Specifically designed for Craftsman mowers, this belt ensures your equipment runs smoothly. It's the reliable choice for maintaining your lawn. Experience the durability and reliability of an OEM replacement belt. It's built to last, providing consistent cutting performance season after season. What we like. This belt is duplicated to meet or exceed OEM specifications, ensuring a precise fit and performance. If you value exact compatibility and the assurance of a quality replacement that matches original standards, this is a strong contender. It's designed to be a direct, reliable substitute for your original belt. What people say. The belt is made of high-quality leather. The buckle is sturdy and well-made. The belt is adjustable and fits perfectly. Number 1. Craftsman 42-inch Riding Mower Deck Belt 144959. Keep your lawn looking its best with this durable 42-inch deck belt. It's designed to connect your engine to the blades, providing the steady power you need for a clean cut. This belt is a direct OEM replacement for Craftsman, Husqvarna, Poulan, and AYP models. It replaces multiple part numbers, ensuring a perfect fit for your mower. With dimensions of 12 inch by 95 inches, it's specifically made for 42-inch deck mowers. Please verify your mower's model number to ensure compatibility before purchasing. It's compatible with a wide range of Craftsman LT DLT DYT series and Husqvarna YTH LTH series riding mowers. Check the list to see if it's the right fit for your machine. Engineered to handle challenging pulley setups, this belt bends and twists smoothly. It ensures reliable performance even under demanding conditions. For proper installation, ensure the belt is fully seated in the pulley grooves. Start the mower and check for smooth operation without any wobbling or squealing. What we like. Designed to provide steady power to your blades and handle tricky pulley setups, this durable belt is perfect for 42-inch deck mowers. If you need a reliable connection between your engine and blades for a consistently well-cut lawn, this belt is engineered for that task. It's built to keep working smoothly even when bending and twisting. What people say. The belt is made of high-quality leather and feels very durable. The buckle is sturdy and has a nice, polished finish. It's a versatile belt that can be dressed up or down, making it suitable for various occasions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.